guys, it's me, your girl Indaynamo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, today we're in Myanmar, guys. Yes guys, you hear me right? We're in Myanmar, guys. So our first stop for today is Bagan, guys. On this video, guys, I will show you our drone footage, guys, and our aerial views from each pagodas, guys. So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching. Okay guys, to understand more of Bagan, guys, Bagan is an ancient city and UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the Mandalay Region of Myanmar, home to the largest and densest concentration of Buddhist temple, pagodas, stupas, and ruins in the world, with many dating from the 11th and 12th centuries. The shape and construction of each building is highly significant in Buddhism, with each component part taking on spiritual meaning. The history of Bagan's golden age ended in 1287, when the kingdom and its capital city was invaded and sacked by the Mongols. Its population was reduced to a village that remained amongst the ruins of the once larger city. Respect, all the temples in Bagan are considered sacred by the Burmese. This dress code is also known on many signs in front of bigger temples, but mostly ignored by Western tourists. It might not be too obvious, but the locals and other Buddhist tourists are strongly offended by this behavior. Since Buddhists are non-confronting, they will keep silent and just look at you. Be respectful and dress appropriately, even though it is 40 degrees out. Practically, this means two things: no shoes, no socks, and no shorts above knees. Would you get into temples without any issues? Shorts covering knees and a t-shirt covering shoulder is perfectly okay. How to get to Bagan, guys? You can get by a plane, by a train, by a bus, and by a boat. You can get around Bagan. You can take a hot air balloon ride at sunrise. Two companies in Bagan. One is called Balloons Over Bagan, around $320 per person, and the other is called Bagan Ballooning, costs $350 per person, with less people in the basket. The two companies operate from October to April. Second one, you can rent a private air-conditioned taxi. The third one, guys, you can get around traveling around a rented bicycle. It's quite easy, although you have to compete with much vehicular traffic on the most one-way road. In the morning, before it gets hot, it's a particularly pleasant time at 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. to do this. People tend to rise late around Bagan, so touring early really emphasizes the sense of Bagan as abandoned. Later in the day, particularly during the warm season, it may be uncomfortably beyond sanity to do this. The next one, you can get around by e-bikes or electric scooters, and e-scooters or electric scooters are available from many shops in town. Or the last one is the share pick-up leaves from the market in Nayo or to Old Bagan. What can you see in Bagan? All temple signs are written in Burmese. Only a selected few are in English, and if there is, it's written at the back of the sign. The three basic building blocks of a typical Bagan temples are stupa, block base, and vestibule. Anywhere you go, you may understand the structure to its basic shapes by the first one, or a combination of two, or a tree of them. Okay guys, so the next one is 7 things to do in Bagan guys. The first one, you can rent a bike. The second one, you can rent an electronic bike, which is the e-bike. Third one, you can rent a horse cart with the driver. The fourth one, you can rent a car with the driver. The fifth guys, you can rent a boat. And the sixth guys, you can go for hot air balloon ride. Lastly guys, you can go for Myanmar cooking class guys. The mood of the village is laid back, and after a day of biking around in the stone forest of STUPAS, the evening entertainment is done entirely do it. Okay guys, so where can you eat guys in Bagan? There are so many places to eat in Old Bagan, serving the traditional Burmese dishes, especially good old noodle soup. Some of the buffets are excellent for about $4. You can also eat to your heart's content from dozens of different traditional dishes. Okay guys, so the last is how can you stay safe in Bagan guys. The first one is, as the Romans do, the best footwear to go about in the site is a pair of plastic slippers, flip-flops or Crocs. It is so easy to slip on and take off as one of the hops from one temple to another. If you don't have a pair of slippers, your hotel might be able to let you a pair. Wearing socks and tightly laced shoes are a hassle. At the end of the trip, your shoes and socks needs a good washing. Second is, be careful when you climb the stairs of less visited temples. Snake warming up in the sun and hidden beehives just above your head might make Bagan a painful experience. A climbable temple typically has stairs from all four directions. Climbing the shaded one behind might be way less painful on your feet. Next one is, the headgear is also important. A wide brief hat is recommended. Next is, bring lots of wipes. The best way of cooling off and getting rid of dust and sticky sweat in your face, arms, and feet. There are no air-conditioned buildings to take shelter during very hot noon breaks. Even banks are not air-conditioned. Bring a bottle of water and once empty, refill it at your nearest travel agency or banks you happen to stop by. So, that's it guys. That's our drone footage in Bagan in Myanmar guys. So I hope you learned something about the information to understand what is Bagan, the history, how to get in Bagan, getting around in Bagan guys, what you can do in Bagan, where you can eat in Bagan guys, and the last but not the least guys, how can you stay safe in Bagan guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching. I hope you learned something today guys. So that's the end of our video for today guys. Please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video guys. And please comment down below if you like this video, and I'll see you all when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, stay safe, and ciao la.